This channel is for educational purposes, and all the videos, presentations, and the writings are only for educational purposes and are not intended as investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk after consulting your financial advisor.
Hello guys, this is Frank the United FX, and this is our weekly Elliott wave outlook on the currency pairs, metas, and this is a list of them. In this analysis, we're using Elliott wave and also using ITC analysis for a precise entry. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and click and give this a thumb like, and also click the bell icon so that you get a video whenever I post them. So let's begin with DSY. Looking at DSY today last week that I wanted to clear all this liquidity, but something happened this very week where Jerome Powell talk about more rate cuts, and because of that, it couldn't get to where I wanted it to get to, which is a very place, and the market get to this very level and started dropping. So what am I expecting going forward next week? Market expected a correction, 50% of the expansion, and then a drop. So that's what I'm expecting. There is a possibility that market may choose to break this high and came into this very place, but it's a rare occasion before a drop, but it's very rare. What I expected is usually place a 50% correction, and then a drop. That's what I'm expecting, because the market has already broken this very level. It has taken away this level and taken away this level, so that's what I'm expecting. Euro US dollar. Euro US dollar. Looking at US dollar, I can see that I miss out from the trade. I was expecting the markets to come to this very place to take away the load here, because there's a fair value gap. This very place, I wanted to fill that fair value gap small or tap into it before going up, but because of the news, you couldn't wait for that fair value gap. The market just did what it deemed best for it. It just did what it deemed best, just clear the liquidity here and started going up. So going forward, what am I expecting next week? Very simple. So the market to give me a 50% correction, please fair value gap, and then continue going up. This is Great Britain US dollar. I told you guys last week that I wanted to clear this liquidity here. That is exactly what the market has done. From this place, clear the liquidity and start going up. So what am I expecting now? Very simple. I want the market to give me a correction, 50% of this place, and then continue going up. That's what I'm expecting from the market. I'm doing this one. Okay, this is one of my favorite pair. Great bit US dollar Japanese yen. So the market break this A and then started falling. So what am I expecting? Two things I'm expecting in this market. Number one is 50% of this fair value gap and then a drop. Or market can choose to break this up, then tap into this place, and then drop. So that is two things I'm expecting by next week. So this very pair, remember last week I told you guys that this pair, I'm looking forward to see it pick some orders from here and then give me a new high. But looking at the current fundamentals of US dollar, I'm not seeing it happening again. It can still happen, but I don't see it happening. What thing that can make it happen again is that if there is another fundamental news that can counter the one that we receive on Friday, then you will see it happen. So what am I expecting here? I'm expecting the market to come to that order block, then do some adjustments, and then drop, give us a correction, and then drop. That's what I'm expecting in this US dollar Swiss francs. This is Euro Japanese yen. I wanted to for you to come to that place. I wanted to tap to this place. There's an order block there, fair value gap there. I wanted to tap to this place. If I see confirmation of sell, I sell down. I told you guys that this gray between, and I wanted to clear this 200 level. I wanted to clear this 200 level, and then I can see a circulation sell pattern outside. Looking at it, it seems that it's going to do going to do our bidding by next week. Because looking at it, you can see that this place is a correction, A, B, and C. So what am I expecting on this very pair? Writing a correction that you can take away this high, drop, or come up with a little bit here and drop. So that is two things I'm expecting in Great Britain, Japanese yen. $30 this, that's one of my that's pair that did great wonder for me. I told you guys that I was expecting the market to come down and clear this low before going up. If you watch our YouTube ream, you will see where I analyze it, you see where I reminder, and then I tell you what market has done. So going forward, what am I expecting from the market? I'm expecting a correction from this very pair, a big correction that will come here to take away this low and then going up. That's what I'm expecting because it has completed 5 good structure. NASDAQ. Remember last week I told you I expected NASDAQ to give me a correction. I don't know that the correction will be deep. I expected NASDAQ to give me a correction towards this very place, but instead the correction was very, very deep to the extent of coming here. So what am I expecting going forward? I'm expecting the market to give me a correction 50% and then boom. That's what I'm expecting in NASDAQ. This is German in this. German DEX in this. So what am I expecting in this German DEX in this? Looking at this very pair, I'm expecting a continuous bullish movement that can take away here and make a new high. That is what I'm expecting, and that is what I'll be looking at to trade. Australian dollar Japanese yen, I'm seeing a very good possible sell setup. So I wanted the markets to come to this very place, tap into this place and sell. So but I'll have to confirm it when it gets here. I have to use confirmation method before I can trade it. Gold is playing out well. Gold has played out well as I analyzed this last week. If you are following my channel, last week we have entered gold in this very place or in this place, and you are already in profit. So I'm still holding gold. I was expecting gold to give me a small correction where I can put more order and buy because gold is going very, very far up and it's going to take away every high. It's going to take away this high. It's going to even reach to this very point. Gold can get to here, but not this coming week. It may take 2 weeks to get here. But this high is going to take away this high, take away this high. So expect that. Silver. If you are following my channel last week, I told you I needed silver to sell and break here before I can buy. But the market says otherwise. Market did a correction, just a little bit correction. A, B, C from there. So pick order from here and start going up. So going forward, what am I expecting from the market? Very simple. I'm telling the market to give me a correction, 50% of the expansion, and then continue going up. BTC. Of course, you know that I'm expecting BTC to give me a correction, and the correction has already begun. So what am I expecting in BTC? Is correction, 50% of the expansion, and then up, taking away this liquidity and even this high. So I'm looking forward to sell BTC around this very zone. This very zone is where I'm looking for. If I see a setup, I will sell it down. That's what I will do on BTC because BTC is already selling. It's going to correct up, but it's still going to sell. Okay, I think that is all, guys, for this analysis. And I thank you guys for watching. Thank you for paying attention. If you want to subscribe to the channel, please subscribe and also click the bell icon. Give this video a thumb like so YouTube can share it to other traders to benefit from it. Thank you guys. Remember to join us. Join our Telegram channel or WhatsApp channel. You get a breakdown of every trade from that channel. Thank you guys for watching, and bye for now.